Aging infrastructure is a challenge faced by many communities across the country, with the average lifespan of a water treatment plant at 50 to 70 years. As plants age, parts can become difficult or impossible to replace, and it's harder to keep up with technology upgrades and regulations. The Arvada plant was built in 1979. Since seasonal plants age much faster than year-round plants, the Arvada plant has reached the end of its useful life. Before the plant can be replaced, we must first determine the location of the new plant. The city hired industry experts to help identify top sites for a replacement water treatment plant. The consultant used a nationally recognized process to identify top locations from a long list of potential sites. As part of the evaluation, the city looked at the impact of each site on the community, including parks and open space, historical and cultural locations, established residential areas, schools, and viewscapes. In addition to the community aspects, the city looked at engineering criteria like energy consumption, height distance, site slopes, raw water pumping, and land acquisition. Finally, site characteristics were taken into consideration, including connections to major arterial roadways, planned development, climate vulnerability, wetlands, and any site-specific risks. From this detailed process, the recommended sites were narrowed down from 38 to 2. The east site is located directly next to the Arvada Blund Reservoir, with the west site located just across Highway 93. In early 2023, the two sites were presented to the community for input. More than 150 comments were received that were incorporated into the decision-making process. Common themes from the comments included protecting open space, managing costs effectively, and the safety and security of the plant. The city continues to evaluate the feasibility of these two sites for a final decision. Once a decision is made, more information will be shared with the community at arvadaco.gov. There will be several years of design and construction, with a new plant becoming operational near 2030.